Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. In my earlier video of Siacoin, I was showing you that first it broke out a quite long-term down channel on the daily time frame chart, and after that it was moving inside in another up channel on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then finally the price then broke down the support of this up channel, and the target that I was telling you for this expected breakdown was here at the bottom of the channel at $0.0057, and you can see that the price then dropped more than that. And now, for a while after the breakdown from this support, the price then is recovered back and moving above this support of $0.0057. That was recently breaking a support here, and resistance here. And again, it can break as a support. But now you can see that the price then is forming lower lows and lower highs. Like after this drop, it formed this low here, and this was another lower high than the previous one. And from this low here, and now it is likely to form another lower high than the previous one. And here we have also found this downtrend and resistance as well. You can see that we got rejections here. And now if the price then will not able to break out this resistance, then it can form another lower high and can drop more down to form another lower than previous low. And in that situation, it can drop down to the next support here at $0.004. And by the way, over there, we have a quite long-term uptrend line support as well. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support is coming from the month of November 2022. We had a bounce here and then the bounce here and then the bounce here, stable touch points here. Then we had another bounce here. And therefore, this time it can again break as a strong support for the price line. By the way, this support is slightly higher than this long-term support of $0.004. And in today's video, we will analyze this support and we will also take a look at this breakout from this recent down channel and from this big and long-term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup a book of me, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 9th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Siacoin, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And here, previously, in my previous video that I was showing you that it was moving inside this up channel, and I was telling you that this is the bearish path move. Therefore, despite it is forming higher highs and higher lows, the price then can eventually break down the support. And the technical target after the breakdown can be here at the bottom of the channel at $0.0057. And you can see that the price then after hitting that target had a bounce, and now for a while we again broke it down, and at this time it is again moving at this support. However, in order to finish this downtrend that is now recently started after the breakdown from this channel, we will need to break out this downtrend line resistance. You can see that whenever it is getting rejected by this resistance, it is forming lower lows and again moving up to form another lower high. Now we are trying to break it out, and the movement is getting squeezed, by the way, between this support of $0.0057 and this resistance. Now, if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this quite long-term down channel. And I was telling you that target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 1.4 cents. And you can see that the price and so far not able to break out this very strong resistance of $0.0085. Therefore, first we will need to break out this resistance. Recently, we got rejected by this resistance after the breakout from this channel. And before that, by the way, at this point, $0.0085 has been breaking as a very strong support. Therefore, now is again breaking as a resistance. And for example, if the price then will be once again rejected by this smaller down trend line resistance, then there will be a probability that we may test this long-term up trend line support as well. That is coming from the month of November 2022. And this is a very long-term trend line support. And almost over there, we have this long-term support of $0.004 support as well. And you can see that for the past several months, this level is working at a very, very strong support. And now if we take a look at the technical target once again, then target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at 1.4 cents. And the long-term target for the breakout from this previous down channel, you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this down channel, a bigger down channel. And that target will be here at the top of this channel, somewhere between 6.5 cents to 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.